episode 5 of the Angular series, and yeah, it's another couple code. Let's get into it. So the focus for today will be Angular interfaces, data modeling, and interfacing. So we'll be looking into that, how to sort of create models for your data and interacting with those in Angular. So let's zip some code, and please guys do like and subscribe for more of these videos, and do add some comments as to how what you want to see, maybe some improvements. Thanks. So let's get into the code. So last time we had our application here. This is where we ended up with our dialog service um, model pop-up and the snack bar pop-up. So we were on those, and now we're going to be creating interfaces, and continuing with our heroes tutorial, and we'll be modeling hero.ts, which has two properties, ID and name. So let's interface that. So I'm gonna come into heroes. I'm gonna create a new folder, and I'm gonna call it interface and inside interface I want to have hero.ts, just like on our tutorial guides. And simply because this is a quick one, just take these, put them there, and it should be fine. I'm saving this, and now sort of want to see with our data we're going to be interacting with the ID and the name, and that's it. So we already have our component there, so we're going to plug and hard code the component, the hero. We're going to hard code it there, just like they are doing. So instead of model details, which was a string, which we're gonna get rid of, and we are binding that. Let's do this. All right, now it calls interface hero, which looks good. And then now we don't want to bind that because we already have data, and it's gonna break on our HTML template, so we're no longer binding that. We are binding hero, and let's see how they do it on the tutorial. Just get that, and let's take that, and let's add this in there. And you see they are sort of binding hero.name, so this is the property they are binding, and they're also binding the ID and the name here. So let's say this is the hero details, and built successfully. Let's go back into our app, and it's windstorm ID is 1, name is windstorm, which is same as what we have this side there. Oh, this looks good, looks nice. And let's see what else. So basically we're done with interfacing. So we have our data, which is the model. It's the hero, it has two properties, ID and the name, and nothing much. We can just add that, bind it there, and sort of play with the data, and display it on the front end. But then now let's see what else do we have that can. So here they just showing you the capabilities of Angular, the other readily available capabilities on the fly, which is super awesome. So let's say this. So you see the windstorm is like into uppercase, so they are piping the name to be uppercase, and this is like readily available, which is amazing. It's nice that you can do that with Angular. You have other pipe I'd say directives that you can use, so that's also nice. And if you want to edit the hero, let's just refactor our code. So we'll need to refactor our code and add that. But yeah, it's weird how they sort of set up the tutorial, because they block certain things, and then they sort of tell you that this is what's gonna break. So let's just do this here. Um, let's put this here, and so because I'm adding this, I want you guys to see what is going to happen like on the actual model. So let's just write edit, and you'll see everything here in action now. And it's going to break, and where it's breaking is ng model, and that is because we still need to have our form set up, which is that one right there. So we're just gonna take form into app module. App module will give us the just model. We can just remove that comment, it's not needed. Then we're gonna add the forms module into our declarations. Then we save that, and now it's able to bind it. So that was it essentially. And then now let's see how it looks. Let's use components. So we already have all of this, and this is like sort of the code of how it looks like. And let's see how it looks. So this is windstorm details. These are the details. Windstorm edit, which is what we have. Hero name. Let's just deal with this. So you see, as I type, it sort of changes the name to code. Right, let's just do that. So you're able to edit the name and edit whatever on the actual model, which is super nice. So let's just get rid of this snack bar, and we put the snack bar in our component there, so we can just get rid of that, no longer this, and we can just call this hero incidentally, and boom, done. So we still want to see that one, so windstorm is fine, and we can now edit our data to wind test. Yeah. This looks nice, and that's it. I think we're done interfacing, and we've seen it in action, and that's how simple it is, guys. Please do like and subscribe. Thank you very much, and we'll see you in the next one. Cheers.